Yep, you saw the title. Wildman, SC Bikes. We're about to bring her down and check her out. Been a minute, Wildman. Sheesh. Yo, bike check day, bike check day. We're looking at the 20-inch Wildman right here, guys. The 20-inch SC Bikes Wildman, one of the most neglected. I bought this bike for basically pit bike rides. Out in San Diego, Fever does rides where everybody rides a 20-inch bike. Call them pit bikes. So I picked this one up, hooked it up just for that. Took it to about 3 of those ride outs, and Fever has not had one in a while. So we're due for a pit bike ride out, Fever, if you're listening, bro. Come on now. So this is a simple build. The bike had black cranks, black tires. It was pretty plain, but I had to spruce it up a little bit. Start with the back. We got some Primo 20-inch 2.5s, 110 psi max, but I do not pump them up that much. Heck no. Guys, the wheelie pegs. These things were hard to find. I had to order them from, I think, United Kingdom or Australia or some crap. I don't know, but they were hard to find. They came in like 3 weeks. Not even sure what kind of pegs they are. You just look up oil slick pegs on eBay or something. They're probably easier to find now. I was trying to well, actually I did this bike during COVID, so parts were hella hard to find. Couldn't find anything, couldn't find bikes, couldn't find nothing. We got the MC Motors MC Motokin. I don't know what the hell those are, but they're not popular at all. I just got them because they're purple. These are the Armor Bikes wheelie pegs, says right there. Armor Bikes. And then we got the oil slick valve stem covers. Yeah. And then we got the salt half link chain and oil slick fire. And then we got brakes, the clear ones. These work really good, guys. I'm so sorry. I don't even know what kind of brakes those are, guys. It's been so long, but they're clear. I don't know exactly what brakes they are, but I'm sure you guys can figure it out. We got the S&MC post. This video is going to be jacked up. I got the S&MC post. Very hard to find. The long one, hard to find. Snafu seat with the screw in the middle to adjust. Then we got the Transit M purple cranks, and then we got the Armor pedals. These are from Armor bikes too. I don't know where I got these from, but pretty fire. And then we got the Salt sprocket. What else here? Go to the front, we got the Stranger stem. We got the Holder bars, Snafu brakes, Demolition grips, and then we got, these are like from Amazon, Maroka bar ends. They're metal, pretty dope. And then this piece here, the SE Bikes head badge. I got that from a guy off of Instagram. Not even sure who he was or whatever. When I was building the bike and posting pics, someone told me to hit this guy up and that he made these. Don't even remember who he was, but yes sir, oil slick head badge, clean. I think I paid like 20 bucks. Then we got the Merit tennis balls, which set the bike off totally. I used to have like 3 in each rim, but I think Maya stole them or something. But yeah, that is the Wildman, guys. Pretty clean bike, pretty clean build, real simple. Haven't rode this thing in probably 2 years. This will be my first ride right here. There's still air in the tires. She fired though. And that, my friends, is the Wildman build. Real quick video. Real quick.